everyone, and welcome back to another glorious day here in Benidorm. It is March the 1st, 2024, a new month, and with the new month comes some new art. Come and have a look with us as we take a journey through life.
How it's supposed to feel.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?
Started the new art expedition here in Benidorm, entitled A Journey Through Life. This one is called Encanto. They are carved marble. Must have cost easily around €1,000,000 to make, maybe more. I do apologise about the ring, guys, but yeah, nice day here in Benidorm. Bit there about the exhibition if you want to pause it, guys. These statues will be in Benidorm from the 1st of March 2024 till the 1st of March 2025. They'll also be in the beautiful city of Valencia. And of course, a bit of his biography there if you want to pause and read. The statues are quite a way down Poniente seafront, so it is quite a walk down to actually see them. They are after the swans, which we still got from the Galaxy Hung expedition. The birds are sunbathing today. Shows how nice the weather is. We have 2 black ones and 2 white ones, 4 black ones. There, of course, is Poniente Beach. You can't beat the weather today, guys. It is just perfect. And while today's the first day I've come out in an Orion shirt. Mind you, I do have like a t-shirt on underneath just to keep us cool, but still. The next one, here it is. I think the ball could maybe represent like a child or something. This one's called a willow. Hopefully that's coming up on camera, guys. Using Mike's gimbal today. So yeah, it is trying to get used to it again. Still not fixed my gimbal, so yeah, bit of sadness on that subject, but I guess that's life. Sometimes things break, sometimes things work. Got the beautiful pictures here as well. On about pictures, guys, I will be having a look soon into getting a buy me a coffee link, and I will be having a look at selling some of my pictures I take in and around Benidorm on that website. So the next one, the lay down sort of thing. This one called Refugee, maybe representing a refugee. You never know, guys. Drop your comments down below if you think that represent anything different. Because I mean, you know me and Mike, we're both idiots. Not very educated on modern day art. Unless you class pictures of football shirts as art. Nice little bar there. Devil, Vinos Tapas Canas. Next one coming up. Good. There's the next one. I'm not sure if my camera's a bit scary for what. This one's called Concierge. Maybe like conscience. Representing maybe guilty conscience or something. I really don't know, guys. I am just making shit up as I go along. Poker's bar across the road there. Suddenly shut today. Surprising. It is quite a hot day, and well, if I had to guess the temperature, I'd probably say maybe 25 today. It is quite a nice day, and it's good to see the sun finally coming back out here in Benidorm. Approaching the next one, there's 6 of these sort of sculptures, if you want to call them that, here in the collection. And I seem to get weirder as they go on. Spinal there. And the last one. The final one of this weird expedition. The gimbal's not gone skiriff. Yep, it's gone skiriff again. For Pete's sake. This one's called Crepusculo. Anyway, guys, I hope you've enjoyed that video. Hit the like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.